I've been patient. You guys have been doing construction. I have videos for this year since May. I know you have to do more repairs in Adams Morgan or maintenance or building new things. Why do you have to use this alley to bring your boards down? This guy is using this for me, loading boards and then going down the alley backwards, putting on that thing going ding, 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 ding. Give me a break. I've lived in DC for fucking almost 30 something years. There are many alleys and other ways to do this. Why do you have to always disturb us on this side, in this alley? This is ridiculous. Are you going to load all the boards? I know what you're doing in Adams Morgan. You're going to rebuild all the balconies and you're going to fucking take all the boards this way? Really? Down a fucking alley. This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Why isn't your truck just going on the other side of 18? Why do you have to go all the way down this alley and watch what he does? Still no notification. Mind your own business. I'm suing the building. You should be too. I've been here for 7 years. I know what I'm talking about. Fucking on and off all day. Right now he's gonna go down the fucking alley backwards. Yeah, backwards. That's what he did a little while ago. Fucking genius. Look at this guy. This is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Because he doesn't want to take his truck to the other side of the building. Look how wide those boards are. Instead of taking his truck to the other side of the building, this is what he's gonna do. Now he's gonna make his little noise. Oh, he's not going backwards. It's fucking retarded. Stupid fucking